Welcome back to another garage. Hope you're having a great day. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to paint your brake calipers to make them look like Brembos and give you guys some extra braking force. Hope you'll enjoy. Alright guys, so what you want to go ahead and do first is get some brake cleaner and a brush and just go ahead and clean off the brake caliper so the paint sticks onto it better. And if you're a ricer already and you already painted your calipers, it's okay. If you're going with the same color, it's all good. But like if you're going for a different color for more braking force, then don't use lacquer thinner to take this off because it's gonna fuck up. I don't know what it's gonna fuck up, but I know it's gonna fuck up something. So just go ahead and either paint them black or just get some primer, put a layer or two, and then just go ahead and put the color over it. Alright guys, now it's time to go ahead and cover up the fenders and the inside so you don't get any overspray. You could either use some newspaper, trash bags, or anything you like. I'm gonna go ahead and be using some trash bags. You know, it's a DIY, so it shouldn't be something that you have to go out and buy. You know, you can use the stuff you have at home. So I'm gonna be using these trash bags. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the primer on it. If it's the first time you're painting them, you don't have to, but like, I guess you don't have to. People say you do, but you really don't. I painted these before and the paint never fell off. So if you want to, I guess you could do it. Oh, fuck. Alright guys, so while you wait for this one to dry up, you could go ahead and start prepping up the back. Alright guys, so now that it's dry, I got myself some 1000 grit. And I'm gonna go ahead and sand it off just to give it a nicer finish. Alright guys, now we're ready for the paint. Make sure for this step you do light coats and don't rush it, because this is what's going to show, so you want to make sure it looks good. And also because if you do it right, I think it gives you like more braking power. That's what it said. So yeah, I think it's better than Brembos, because Brembos, they be using like fake paint and this is real paint, so that's why it gives you like more brake force. Make sure you jerk it off real good just to mix up the paint. Comment down below if you're a lefty or a righty. You know what I mean? Alright guys, now that it's done, you can go ahead and put the clear coat. But before I do that, I got some Brembo stickers just for some extra braking power. This stops your car from 0 to 60 in like half a second. Alright guys, well that's the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button. And remember, if it's the first time your GPS brings you into a nutty garage, don't forget to subscribe so you're able to find your way back. Other than that, I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.